Ever found yourself between paychecks, staring at an empty fridge and a mountain of bills? Or maybe you've got an unexpected expense popping up and your savings account is looking a little bare. If either of these situations sounds familiar, you're not alone. Millions of people face financial challenges every day. And one of the options that's been gaining traction is possible finance. But is it the right choice for you? How much can you actually borrow? Let's dive in. Possible finance has become a popular option for people needing quick cash. It's essentially a cash advance app that offers loans of up to $500. The appeal is obvious. Quick, easy access to money without the traditional hassle of a loan application. But before you jump on board, let's break down the details. First things first, how much can you actually borrow? Well, the maximum loan amount is $500. But don't get too excited just yet. The amount you can borrow depends on a number of factors. Possible Finance uses a proprietary algorithm to assess your financial health based on your bank account information, spending habits, and income. This means that even if you qualify for a loan, the amount you'll be offered might be less than the maximum. Now, let's talk about repayment. Possible Finance offers a flexible repayment plan, which is a big plus. You typically have a few weeks to pay back the loan in installments. This can be a relief compared to traditional payday loans that often demand a lump sum repayment on your next payday. However, remember, there are fees involved. Possible Finance charges a membership fee, and there might be other charges depending on your location. But is Possible Finance really a good deal? Let's do some quick math. While the convenience factor is undeniable, the fees can add up. Plus, if you're not careful, it can become a cycle of borrowing and repaying, which is never a good financial position to be in. It's crucial to consider the total cost of the loan, not just the initial amount you receive. So, should you use Possible Finance? The answer depends on your specific financial situation. If you're facing a temporary cash crunch and can repay the loan promptly without falling into a debt trap, it might be a viable option. However, if you're struggling with long-term financial issues, Possible Finance is likely not a sustainable solution. Remember, borrowing money should always be a last resort. Explore other options like cutting back on expenses, selling unused items, or asking friends or family for help before turning to a loan. Building an emergency fund can also be a lifesaver in these situations. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.